Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to through Cambridge IGCSE Feb March 2020 paper 2, right? So let's start. First question that I have here: a night bus runs from 21:50 to 5:18 in the next day. Work out the number of hours and minutes that a night bus runs, right? So we have here 21:50. So let's convert that. This is 9:50, right? 9:50. We are looking from 9:50 to 5:18. I will show you this easiest way. 9:50 to 10 o'clock, it's 10 minutes, right? Then 10:50 to 12, it's 2 hours. Then 12:50 to 5:18. 5:18, it is 5 hour 18 minutes, right? So total we have 5 hour here, 2 hour here, that is 7 hours and 10 minutes and 18 minutes. 10 plus 18, it is 28. So 7 hours and 28 minutes, right? Now next one is calculate square root of 5.76 2.8. to directly substitute the values, plug in the values in calculator. So this comes out to be 24.352. 24.352. Number 3, simplify 4m plus 7n, 4m plus 7k minus m and plus 3k. So we'll combine the like terms here. 4m minus m is 3m, 7 plus 3, it's 10k. 3m plus 10k. Question number 4, we have a diagram here. The diagram shows the net of a cuboid with its base shaded. So this is the base here, which is the shaded one here. The length of the cuboid is 10 centimeter and its width is 4 and height is 5, right? So length, width and height. So this is going to be the base. Base is the this will be the length which is 10 centimeter, right? So B, this is 10 and this is also going to be 10. This is also 10 centimeters, right? So the value of B we have here is 10. So we have to write down all the values here. Value of B is 10 centimeter, right? Then this one is done. Now the width is 4. So width here is this one. This is width, which is 4 centimeter, right? So if this is 4, all these are going to be 4. So width is 4 centimeter, which is equal to C here. So if you see, this is width, this is width, this is width, which is 4 centimeters. So C is 4 centimeters. Then we have height. Height is 5. So height is going to be this one. This is height, right, which is 5 centimeters. So height is 5 centimeter. Now write down the values of A, B, C and D. So we have done these two values here. Now length is equal to this one B, which we have written already 10 centimeter, and width is C, which is 4 centimeter, and height H. Height is here, this one. So height will be this is total D minus 4. So D minus 4, that means D minus 4. We don't have D yet here. So now A is equal to, from here we have here A. If this is 10, this is C, right? this one is C, this one is C, which is 4. So A is 10 plus C plus C, that is 10 plus 4 plus 4, that is 18. So this is going to be 18 centimeters, right? Now we are left with the D. Now D is here, which we have written here. D, H is D minus 4. So we are actually looking for D here. So D is H plus W, right? So H plus W, that is 5. So D from here is going to be 5 plus 4, which is 9. So DV is 9 centimeter, right? So we have calculated D from here, so we don't need this one. So it's done directly from this side, right? Now question number 5. There are 20 cars in a car park and 3 of the cars are blue. James wants to draw a pie chart to show this information. Find an angle of the sector for the blue cars of this pie chart, right? There are total 20 cars and 3 of cars are blue. So the pie chart is going to be drawn by the angle. So 3 out of 20 times 360, right? So 18 times 3, it is 54 degrees. Okay, now part B. One of the 20 cars is picked at random. Find the probability that car is not blue. Now first of all, we will have the the probability of blue car, that is going to be 3 out of 20. So probability of not blue is going to be 1 minus 3 over 20, which is 17 over 20. The final answer is 17 over 20, right? Now number 6, we have here the column right column AB as a column vector. So A is here, B is here. So let's say see how we are moving from A to B. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 units left, that means minus 10. So we are going to write down minus 10 over here, and 1 2 3 units up. So 10 and 3 is going to be the column vector. Now number 7, we have here the temperature increases. The temperature increases, the number of people who go swimming increases. Write down the type of correlation. So one quantity is increasing, then the other is also increasing. So that means this is a positive correlation. So we are just going to write down here positive correlation. Right? Now number 8 that we have here, the question from the sequences. The nth term of the sequence is n squared. So let's say this is Tn is n squared minus 3. Find the first 3 terms. So for T1 we are going to replace n by 3. So n by by 1. So 1 squared minus 3. 1 minus 3, it is going to be negative 2. So T2, 2 squared minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, which is 1. Then T3 is going to be 3 squared minus 3. So this is 9 minus 3, it is 6. So this is going to be, the first term is negative 2, then 1, and then 6. Okay. Now these are 5 first terms of a different sequence. Now we are talking about another sequence here. Find the nth term of this sequence. So as you see, if we multiply here by 3, then you are going to get the next term. So these kind of questions, you see the A, first term is, let's say A. So A is multiplied by 3 and then power. So this is first term. It can be like this is 3 power, here 0, we can say 3 power 1, this is 3 power 2, 3 power 3. So that means we are getting 1. This is n1, n2, n3. So 1 less than 3, first, second, third. In third term there is 2. In second term, power of 3 is 1. So 3 times n minus 1, right? And a is 1 here. 1 times 3 power n minus 1. So final term, nth term, final answer is 3 raised to power n minus 1, right? Now number 9, we have here the line y equals to mx. The line y equals to mx plus 2x minus 5 intersect the line y equals to 3 at point P. So we have, let me just draw a rough diagram here. So like this. So let's say we don't know, this is the point P where the coordinate is 3. So this is 0, y-axis, and this is x-axis. So maybe line is like this, we don't know, it may be this way, this way. So y, it is intersecting at 3 at the point line y equals to 2x minus 5. So that means y is 3 here. When y is 3, then 2x minus 5, we can find out the value of x. So 3 plus 5 equals to 2x. So this is 8 equals to 2x. So 8 over 2, just divide by 2. So this is 4. So x is equal to 4. So the coordinate, this will going to be 4 for x. So this is 4 and 3 is the answer. Now question number 10, we have this here, and the trapezium. The diagram shows a trapezium PQRS. So this is parallel line to this one. Here calculate the area of the trapezium. So now this is A, and this side is A, and this is B. So we have everything. We are just going to apply the formula. So area of trapezium is half times A plus B into H. So half, and A is here is 8.7 plus 5.3 times 3.8. So directly plug in the values. You are going to get here 26.6 centimeter square. 26.6 centimeter squared, right? So let's see what is our next question here. We have here number 11. Without using calculator, work out the value of 1 over 4 and 5 by 6. So 4 times 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 4 minus 5 over 6. Okay, so 4 and 6, let's take the LCM. 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 2, 12. So LCM is 12, right? So LCM is 12 here. So we are going to make the denominator same, times 3 times 2 times 2. This is 15 minus 10. That is 5 over 12. So final answer is 5 over 12. Now question number 11. Farid spins a three-sided spinner with the sides labeled A, B and C. The probability that the spinner lands on C is 0.35. Farid spins the spinner 40 times. So find the number of times he expects the spinner to land. So this is the probability, and he is going to do it 40 times. So directly you are just going to multiply it by 40. Once you multiply by 40, you are going to get here 14. Okay. Now the bearing of B from A. The bearing of B from A, let's say your point A is here. This is actually, sorry, we can have a line like this. This is A, because this angle is obtuse angle. This is 107 degree. Bearing of B from A, this is B point. This bearing is 107. Calculate the bearing of A from B. So we are looking for this angle here, right? So now as north lines are parallel, so we can find out this angle, 180 minus 107, which will be 73. So this angle we got 73, and then we are going to find out this. So total is 360 minus 73, which is 287. So 287 is the final answer, right? Now number 14, a train 1700 meters long and traveling by this speed. Calculate how long will it take for the whole train completely cross a bridge that is 480 meters long. So there is one bridge here and train is starting from here. This is the length of the train, which is 1750 meters, and this one is 480 meters. So to start from here, train has to cross this one. So the total distance is going to become here 1700 plus 480 meters, right? So this is total distance, and the speed we have 55 kilometers per hour. So this is kilometer per hour, and distance should also be in kilometer. So we are going to divide this distance by 1000, right? That will become a kilometer, right? Now we know the formula, speed is equal to distance over time, and then time is going to be distance over speed, which is 480 plus 80 divided by 1000. So this is the distance here divided by speed, which is 55. So just calculate that. So I have already done that. So it's 45.96, and approximately to the nearest second we can write it down as 146 seconds, right? Now number 15 we have here the question from transformations. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B, from triangle A to triangle B. So you can see this is a reflection. This is flipped on other side. So we have to find out the middle value of this squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mid one is here. So we have a reflection at this line. So let me just draw that one. This is x equal to minus 2. So we will write down here, this is a reflection along line x equals to minus 2, right? 2 marks, then there are 2 properties right over here. Triangle A onto C, from A to C, you can see this has been decreased. So the size is changed. So this is an enlargement. We will write down enlargement, right? And scale factor. For the scale factor, you see we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 square over 2. So scale factor is like A onto B. So 2 over 4, sorry, it is because it is decreased. So 2 over 4, that is 1 over 2. So scale factor is the, here is 1 over 2. Now we will find out the center. For the center, we are just going to join the corresponding vertices. So here let's join this corner to this one. So another one, this vertex here. So 2 will be enough to see that where they are intersecting. So they are intersecting at this point. So this is the center, which is negative 3 and negative 4. X negative 3 and negative 4. Right? Now we have draw the image of triangle A after rotation 90 degree clockwise about 1, 3. First of all, we need to find out 1, 3. 1, 3 is here, this one here. So we are going to rotate this one. So for that I'm going to use a tracing paper here. So for the tracing paper, so I have traced this triangle here, and this is our center. So we are going to put our pencil on the center and then rotate it once. So this will give you the new position of the triangle, right? So we have here this point, and here. So I'm just going to make here this one here. So now just join all these points, then you will get here the triangle. So we have the triangle here. This one, right? So this is the rotation, this is part B. So now let's move to next question. Number 16 we have here, x is an integer and we are given these numbers here. The universal set is from 1 to 10. X is an even number. So between 1 to 10 we have even numbers here, going to be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 10 is included because there is an equal sign, and multiples of 5 here will be 5 and 10, only 2, right? So complete the Venn diagram. So we first of all we need to fill the common part. Common number if you see here is only 10, so we are going to put 10 over here. Now P is an even number. 10 is done. 2, 4, 6, 8. We will have 2, 4, 6 and 8, and then 5 will go over here, and the remaining from 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 we have all the number 1 up to 10. So what is missing here? We are missing here 1, and then we are missing 3, and we are missing 7 here. That will go outside P and Q, right? So now number 17, the height of each of 200 people is measured. Here the table shows the result. So we have the results here. Calculate and estimate mean of the height. So for the mean of this kind, we are going to make a table over here that will make your work easier. So for that I am going to take first of all the midpoint of this and this. 100 plus 120 divided by 2, this is 110. 120 plus 130 divided by 2, this is 125. This is 125. Similarly, this is 140, this is 170. Just take the midpoint. I'm going to write down over here 110. So 125, 140, 170, right? Then we have the frequency. We already have 32, 55, 64 and 49. This midpoint is denoted by x usually, and this will be fx, f times x. Multiply these. 110 times 32, this is, I have already calculated this, 75890 8330, right? So now we are going to have the total of this. This total we are already having here 200, and add all of them, these ones, it is 27,685, right? So this is the table that we are going to use. Now mean is going to be sigma fx, sum of fx, and so this is 27,685 divided by 200. So when you calculate this, you are going to get here 138.425. So approximately you can write down 138, right? Now find the HCF common factor, highest common factor of 28 x5 and 98 x cubed. Now we will see what is common here. First of all, we can divide it here simply by which number? 2. When you divide it by 2, so we have here 14, and this one is going to be 2 times 2, 49, and for x we have x cubed here, so we can have x square here and this one. Then again this is divisible by 4, 4 times 2, and then 7 times 2 and 7 times 7 here, x square. So we have this one here, the HCF. So HCF is going to be 2x cubed times 7, that is 14x cubed, right? So that is the final answer. So that's all for this video. Remaining question we are going to do in the next video. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.